Now, encouragement has been described as one of the most powerful tools we can use to unlock children's potential, and it can improve both the social and academic performance of students. It's also an effective behaviour management tool because we can use it to increase students' on-task behaviour. Indeed, Rudolf Drakers, who was an American psychiatrist and educator, he believed that a child needs encouragement like a plant needs water. And I thought that was such a nice quote. I wanted to put it on the slide for you. He also considered that a lack of encouragement influenced misbehaviour. So we all want to encourage children to be their best. However, before we can use it to unlock children's potential, we really need to understand the difference between praise and encouragement. So let's start with this question. How often do you praise students by saying things such as, "Good job, well done, awesome work, terrific, great result, excellent"? Just pop a quick response in the chat box and I'll get a bit of an idea. Okay, we've got continually, often, every day, all the time, constantly, a lot, frequently, daily, quite often. So most students like to receive praise, and when it is sincere and only used occasionally, it can motivate children. However, if praise is your default, like it sounds like it might be for a lot of people, and you are using it all of the time, you may unintentionally be teaching students to become approval junkies. And we're going to look at a few reasons for this. So I don't want you to become discouraged, but I really want you to reflect on what you say and how you say it.